Every mile I drive, I'm reminded of you. But the road is my love, it's all I ever knew. Maybe one day I'll settle down, but for now I'm chasing sunsets out of town. Back roads and bar stools, that's where I'll be, with a cold one in hand and my old guitar, you see, singing about love and hard working hands, living the dream in this hard land. So raise your glass and sing along to the simple life where we all belong. Back roads and bar stools, that's where I'll stay, living life my country way. The sun sets low over fields of gold, all the back roads where the stories unfold. Old pickup trucks, the dust in the breeze, rolling through life. Back roads and bar stools, that's where